As you enter your cPanel, you first of all click it. When you click your landing page, you check the offer. Okay, like you tap like this, 10,000 generate. Let's see. Ready. When you see this kind of offer, this kind of thing, you know that they are using API. They are using API. When you see this kind of thing, this is not content locker. It is called API, content locker. They are using API. You don't need to put it as content locker. You put it as API. The first thing you will do, you go to your cPanel. You click your file. Go to your public. Go here. Let me remove this one and extract it again. So I remove this one. Like now, as I upload new, I will come like this. I extract. I open my list. I open it like this now. I press Ctrl F to bring search. What I will search first is API. Maybe API user. But what I'm going to search is API. Or you can do it capital letter API. You see 15 APIs here. So what you're going to do, you will click here. One. You watch it. You see that is, you see the API. Click. Let me go back. As this is API now, you click it here. This place I'm clicking. You will see one API, two API, three. See what we are looking for. This is what we are looking for. Here now is what we are looking for. That is only what we need here. Then what you're going to go, you go to your CPA build. You log in to your panel. Let's wait. You click it. What we are looking here again is called what? API. API. This is it. API. You click on the API. You will see post back. You see API key / offer feed. You click that API key plus offer feed. This is API key public. This one's API key public. This one's API key offer. So we are going to choose the API key offer, not public. We are choosing API key offer. Then you will come down. You will find your key. This is your key. 120654. You will see it on your own. That is what it's called key. When you scroll down, what we are looking for is what? Your key. You will see it is in your own AirBlue Media. You will just copy the key. You copy the key and come here and paste your key. Then You come back and we are looking for, see what we are looking for. Offer wall we are looking for. You see the offer, you see something here, but you're going to copy the offer. Go back. We put it here. That is all. You click save. That is all you need here now. When you, as this is, when you search other API, you will not see anything. Only this you see. You will not see where they say key or anything. Then let's test it. As you are seeing my CPA build, what you are seeing here is 7-click. 7-click, Abby. Let's test our API. I copy your landing page. Open a new browser. Incognito and paste your landing page. And it will load. I choose username, maybe Mohammed 002. I choose how many I want, 10,000. I hit generate. Then let's come like this. So wait. Then all this is your offer now because you have already input your API key. Then if I click the offer will open. See, I'm in Nigeria, so the offer will bring me in Nigeria. It will come here. If I go back, it will write waiting completion. When it's complete, the API will take me to TikTok. When I complete the offer, the API will take me back to TikTok if the person complete the offer. And if the person complete the offer, I will earn money to my AirBlue Media. But if the person does not complete it, it will still be like this. So let me go back to my AirBlue Media. My AirBlue Media is still on 7. I refresh it. You have to wait because the callback API it will take some time before it will reflect here. You see, maybe I click another one. It will show you like this. Go back. If I like, I can click as many as I want. But I'm showing you as an example. All this one is the offer now. All this one is the offer that the API is doing for you. Different offer. This is bad one. Then I will go back to my editing. If I refresh, it will come up. You see 8. You see how many I click at it? 1, 2, 3. How many I click? 1, 2, 3, 4. I click only 4. So 1 has gone. So you know 1, 2, 3. If they complete the offer, it will redirect to TikTok because that is where it will redirect to TikTok. 1 has gone. If I refresh again, it's still on 1. We'll wait on it until the other one reflects. Maybe I close the offers and see. Go back. Because I closed the offer. 11 has reflected. That is it, and there's no other thing you need to do.